Manage your graphic design projects. Create a project that will let you track and deliver the graphic design order. Add your team and coworkers to the project. Create a kanban and define your workflow by adding custom project sections. Add tasks that will let you reach your goal. Assign users to specific tasks. Harness team collaboration by sharing project progress, commenting, and exchanging information in real time. Share links and files with your team. Check your team's timesheets to summarize project costs and settle account with employees. If the project was carried out for external purposes, use invoices based on the time consumption of tasks and project costs. Easily track the status of client payments.
Start using our all-in-one project management system. Go to Firmbee.com and use for free.